Hey guys, it's Friday the 18th and I've got butterflies. I'm super excited. You got that lump in your throat kind of feeling? That tells me that today's going to be a good day. Like I literally feel like this. I'm like, oh, on edge. I'm literally just. I want to bounce around the room. I don't know. I don't know that it's happening, but we could be getting the keys today. And being that I'm getting all these feelings, it says that it's going to happen. So come on, let's do this. This is like literally the penultimate day because we've got the hire booked on Monday, as I've said so many times, and so it leaves it all so last minute. We basically, if we're making that decision, if we get the keys today, then we have to stop production at 2 and we need to start cleaning down the machine, putting the packing plates on, emptying out the storage container, all of that stuff. It doesn't help that the weather's not great. If the weather would have been just as it was in the last week, we'd be fine because we could just sort of like leave stuff outside a bit. We can't do that because it is literally pouring down. It's crazy. Now, if you're wondering why I'm wearing yellow, you'll need to look that up. It is a special day today, and it's an awareness day. So I've asked the guys to come in and wear yellow. Anyhow, this could be the last day that we ever do production in here. It's quite it'll be kind of sad actually if all this goes, because it'll be whirlwind, you know. It will be just literally just gone, and that'll be that, and this will turn back into a garage. Yeah, that's it's kind of crazy really. I say the container's going on Monday. It's going on Monday regardless of whatever happens. The problem with that regardless is if we don't get the keys today, and for argument's sake it ends up being Monday, or it doesn't happen Monday, I don't know, it could leave us without powder coating or anodizing or being able to do anything because we've got nowhere to store our stuff. So it's very, very risky. So the one thing that we do actually have to pack up from 2 o'clock is our powder coating and anodizing. I want to make sure Joe gets through. We've got an order of 29 lights, the Hugo light design. We need to make sure we get through those. In terms of powder coating and anodizing, we can assemble them, you know, without that. That's fine, that's not a problem, but we need to get through those little bits. I need, if the keys come, if we can get the keys earlier in the day, that'd be best, because then I can literally just start going in the van, just making runs down to the unit, emptying stuff out my van, and just literally just, you know, start to get some of the stuff out of the way. That's what's needed. So come on, let's wheel this. This is going to happen. This is going to happen today. It's got to happen. Right, I'll see you guys later. Hopefully you'll be with a good update.